My name is Skylar, and this is my e-portfolio. So first off, a little self-introduction. I am currently an IU student studying to be an elementary teacher. I'm hoping to get a minor in Spanish and an ESL licensing. I'm wanting to teach second grade. So a little bit about me here. So when I think about technology in the class, I envision technology saving time and effort for teachers and students while still allowing the students to work at their own pace. That is the main benefit of technology, in my own opinion, is the saving time and that the students don't have to work at the pace the teacher does, because some students learn quicker and some just need more time to work on things. So now here's my gallery. One of my top 4 artifacts for this class was my digital citizenship board game. This was for my digital citizenship lesson plan, which had me create an artifact. So for this, I did a board game that would have second grade students research and answer questions about science and animals. So I have that it's very engaging because the students like play through the game. And how I would use this game is to encourage participation and competition among students. So I could use it to either have a science lesson about animals or use it for just learning how to research and the safe ways to do so. My infographic is a quick review guide to our solar system for second graders. It's not necessarily meant to engage students, but it's just there to enhance their learning and to allow different learners to have visuals and different ways to like bullet points and titles. And there's a video here for any student who happened to miss the class or need to review that they can do that. So I could use this any kind of infographic in other subjects as well to help students recall information. My problem-based lesson plan would have first grade students go to the zoo and observe different animals and how their functions are used to survive, while connecting those to how humans have developed ourselves in regards to how animals have done it. So I would use this to have students encourage and enforce their own learning through the standard, though they would be doing most of it by themselves, along with some guidance from the teacher, and the book would be created in partners. So this ebook would be shortly after an animal classification unit, which is a second grade standard. So they would create an online ebook about their favorite animal that would help the teacher know where they are at in the understanding of animal classification, and they would practice their research skills. And I would use this as a way to show creativity and progress in the unit. So finally, W200 has really helped me to know technology and learn how to use different resources in my class. Unlike my other classes, it directly involves student learning, or it directly involves resources that I would actually use in my classroom instead of just things that I don't really see the point of. And I was able to find my own way through it, able to work as hard as I wanted to actually get resources that I would use in the future. So I really enjoyed this class, and my future ideas for technology integration is to use it to have students be able to work at their own pace, but also to encourage learning, as it is a fun way and engaging way to encourage students to actually want to learn instead of just feeling like they're forced to. So that is what I hoped how to use technology in my future classroom.